talagang nag-enjoy kayo for this segment. Alright, so we'll not keep you on waiting as we now proceed to the awarding of the first set of special awards. Here we go. Since our beautiful ladies at my back, good luck. First award is Miss Congeniality. The award goes to Queen 7 Louis Eva Lecline Michelle Gundala. Next award is Miss Professional. Our Miss Professional is you, Queen 7 Louis Eva Lecline Michelle Gundala. Next award is Miss Photogenic. Our most photogenic is Queen 8 Ariana Arena Brian Larry. Next award is Miss Talentgenic. The recipient of this award is Queen 13 Malcolm Allen Marian Rivera. Complete award for the set A, we have Miss Winsome Smile. The award goes to Kylene Alcantara, Queen 15, Kylie Yabut. Congratulations for the set A winners. Let's now proceed with the next set. The first award is Madison's Choice. And this award belongs to you, Queen 6 Aljuno Campo Barbie Forteza. Next award is Miss Sherman's Jean. The award goes to Queen 11 Andrea Torres and Mark Salonga. Our third award is Miss Delight Buddy. Please step forward as you award our Miss This year's best in costume is green. 15, Kailin Alcantara. Yep. Alright, and next, our fourth award is Best in Swimwear. Here we go. Who's gonna be the winner? Best in Swimwear is green. 15, Kailin Alcantara. Josdano. Yep. Complete the first set of special awards. This is gonna be a big one. Miss Life as its best, and the winner will become a co-host of the show Life as its best. Good luck to you and congratulations in advance. Here we go. Life as its best is a television program, and the winner is Queen 14, Rebel Navarro Janine Godoy. Congratulations to all the winners of the first set of special awards. Congratulations, ladies, and we will see more of you in a little while. Fernandino Festival Queen. Nakalbog na salamat for sharing your talent to us. So guys, this is it. Did you know that it is about time for us? I'm going to announce who's gonna be in the top 10 and still in the running for the competition. Here we go. Ladies, good luck. In no particular order. Fernandinos, here are your top 10 semi-finalists. Please step forward. Queen 15, Jostano Yabut, Kailin Alcantara.
I want to show to everyone and to all the Fernandinos that the crown of Miss Gay Fernandino Festival in 2018 is a crown of bravery, benevolence, and compassion that I can use to persuade and influence other people to become more responsive and helpful to the needy as I perform my duty as a candidate in Miss Gay Fernandino. Because being a Fernandina queen is not just being a queen, but a Fernandina queen with a purpose.
Next one, who made it to the top 10 is Queen 4, Felix Carlos Kinchu.
I should be the next Queen of Fernandino because I'm so very compassionate and so charming. It is my goal to inspire my fellow Fernandino to be themselves and to follow their wildest dreams, no matter what those dreams are. Whatever my co-candidates can do, I'm proud to say that I can do better.
Our third semi-finalist is Queen 13, Malcolm Alvin Marian Rivera.
I should be crowned as Miss Gay Fernandina 2018 because I am a person with a substance, beauty, wit, and dignity, and a person who knows how to embrace responsibilities in any different ways. And I thank you.
Here we go. You are still in a competition, Queen 7, Louis E. Violet Man, Michelle Gumabao.
Everyone deserves a chance to win, but making the most out of that chance is what you always done. You need to plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. And the surest way to success is hard work, perseverance, faith in God, and definitely courage to do so. And with the highest humility, I think I am her. Give your 101 best percent of effort and learn to stand in every time you fall. And that is one of the characteristics of a strong queen. If you don't see yourself as a winner, you can perform as a winner.
There you go. Venus Rock.
Everyone deserves to be the next Miss Gay Fernandino 2018. I am very confident to be the next Miss Gay Fernandino simply because I have my extraordinary beauty, talent, and wit. Therefore, in that characteristics, I can show to the whole Fernandino that me, as a part of the LGBT, can be a good one and to inspire other people. Because I know am confidently beautiful with a heart. Thank you.
5 ladies down, 5 more names to be announced. Here we go. Next semi-finalist is Queen 8, Brian David, Ariana Ana Arvida.
Miss Gay Fernandinos are not just physically beautiful. Gay Fernandinos possess a good heart. If I become your Miss Gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2018, I'm willing to offer my life to serve humanity, to be an inspiration, because sexuality is not my main target to feel equality. It is being responsible to the community, not proving myself to have an equal image for everybody, but giving respect to all human beings.
We have now 4 more ladies. Here we go. Our 7th semi-finalist is Queen 11, Benhor Samanga, Andrea Torres.
I shall be the next Miss Gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2018 because I am ready, to take the responsibility of being a title holder and to show courage to the less fortunate people. I have a good heart to serve the people and I know how to meet the poor in the flesh. I also have a very healthy mindset to understand every situation happening around and the people as well. And if I will be the one to be crowned, I will do my best to show a very stupendous performance in doing my duty as Miss Gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2018.
Congratulations. And now, 3 more spots. And 1 spot belongs to you, Queen 6, Adriano Campo, Harvey Corteza.
I should be the next Miss Gay Fernandino because I want to be a catalyst of change, wherein I will be the voice of the LGBT who are being disrespected, bullied, and unaccepted. I want them to experience how to be loved, respected, and accepted. I want them to inculcate in their mind that in the LGBT community, there is no room for sadness, failures, and pessimism. I want to prove that I am beautiful inside and out, that I have a heart that is willing to love, a mind that is willing to understand, and a hand that is willing to help, regardless of age, gender, and social status. Thank you.
Here we go. Ladies advancing to the next round. Who do you think? Sino sa palagay nyo ang kasama pa sa top 10? What number? This is it, folks. Two spots left. You are still in the competition. Queen 2, Shan Edwin Gonzalez, Sania Lopez.
This gift for Fernandino is not about having a pretty face. It's about having a bright mind and a clean heart. I want to be an inspiration to other people to believe in their dreams and live in their dreams. For I believe that Miss Gay Fernandino has so many duties and responsibilities, and I strongly believe that I can take those responsibilities.
inyong karapat-dapat sa 10th spot. Medyo mahina pakilakasan. Completing our top 10 semi-finalists is Queen 1, Elmer Lopez Sampito.
I want to have the chance to prove to every Fernandinos, not only to the Fernandinos but also to the Filipino citizen, that we third gender are also capable of everything that a man and woman can do, also gays can do. With this title, I can inspire and encourage other people. I want to be an inspiration to everybody. Third gender. Together, we can claim victory through enlightening others of the world and the importance of gays in this community and the world. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, your top 10 semi-finalists for the Miss Gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2018. Congratulations, ladies. Once again, thank you so much, our composer, Mr. Andy Alvis and Mr. Jake Abelia, for the theme song of Miss Gay Fernandino entitled Fabulosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we too son Andrea Gonzalez, Sanya Lopez.
Bulag, pipi, at bingi, mga taong pinagkaitan ng kapalaran sa kabila ng kanilang kapansanan, pilit natin silang pinagtatawanan. Hindi man nila ginusto ang ganitong kalagayan, subalit pagpasdan mo, pilit silang lumalaban. Bulag, pipi, at bingi, na sa kabila ng kanilang kapansanan, sila ay nagsusumikap. Na sa kabila ng kanilang kapansanan, pagsubok ay hinahanap. Na sa kabila ng kanilang kapansanan, sinasabi na ang buhay ay kay sarap. Dahil sa kanilang puso na handang magmahal ng laganap. Na para bang kaming mga bakla, pilit na nilalain, pilit na rinuhutya. Warak na warak, na punit man ang aming puso. Ngunit kailanman, hindi namin naramdaman ang mag-isa. Dahil sa pananalig namin sa buong may kapal, dahil ang hangad namin ay ang kapayapaan.
Gonzalez. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Queen 7, Louis Ibay Lagman, Michelle Comaba. Ladies and gentlemen, Queen 7, Louis Ibay Lagman, Michelle Comaba. Now we welcome Queen 8, Ryan Norman Lawrence, Ariella Ara Arena.
ganda. Bisexual o ano ka man, hindi man po magkakapantay-pantay ang ating mga daliri. Ngunit may iisa tayong puso na kayang manindigan at mabuhay sa mundong ito. Ako ho, si Brian Lerin, naninindigan bilang isang bakla.
Once again, Queen 8, Brian Laren Ariela Ara Arena. We welcome Queen 11, Benhur David Salonga, Andrea Torres. Once again, Benhur David Salonga, Andrea Torres. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Queen 12, Ronald Salazar, Venus Bra. That was the Queen 12, Ronald Salazar, Venus Hurrah. Now we welcome Queen 13, Malcolm Alvin, Marian Rivera.
Be
Justado Yabon, Kaibigan Alcantara. How about another warm round of applause for our queens and the talent?
So many different ways out in the darkness with no guide. I know the cost of losing and never thought the race. Oh, no, I found heaven on earth. You are my last love first, and then I hear this voice when I'm surrounded by friends. How could silence be so loud? I still go home, knowing that I've got you. There's no yes when the lights go down. You are my heaven on earth. You are my last love first, and then I hear this voice inside. Sometimes love can come and pass you by while you're busy making plans. Suddenly hit you and then you realize it's out of your hands. Baby, you've got to understand you are my heaven on earth. You are my last love first, and then I hear this voice
Ladies and gentlemen, elevating our glam factor for tonight, we bring you back our Miss Gay Fernandino candidates as they roll down the lane in their evening gown, starting with Queen number 1, Elmer Lopez.
Promise me you'll try. Stop.
Geraldine Roman. Thank you so much, Congresswoman, for sharing those beautiful awards for everybody tonight. This is it. Let's do the real business for tonight. Here we go. It's about time for us to present to you the final set of special awards. Here we go. First award for this set is the Health Ambassador. The award goes to Queen 13, Allen Marco, Marian Rivera. The Best Ambassador, or Pampanga's Best Ambassador. The recipient of the Best Ambassador Award is Queen 15, Kylie Alcantara, Justano Yabut. And now, Best in Talent. Sino sa palagay niyo ang Best in Talent? This year's Best in Talent is Queen 13, Alden Malcolm, Marian Rivera. And now the final award is Best in Evening Gown. The Best in Evening Gown is Queen 7, Louis Eli Laclan, Michelle Gumala. Congratulations again to all the winners. That concludes our presentation of special awards. At ang bilis mo nang mangyayari. Dahil this could be the breathtaking announcement of our top 5 finalists. We shall be narrowing down our candidates into final 5 who will still be running towards being the ms.gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2018. Hindi lamang nila laban ito, kundi laban nyo rin. Here we go. The first lady advancing to the final round is Queen 15, Kylie Alcantara, Justano Yabut. already announced. 3 more ladies have the chance for the crown. Sino po ang sa palagay niyong susunod na matatawag? The third spot for the final round belongs to you, Queen. More spots left. Who do you think is the deserving one to advance for the final round? Sino sa palagay niyong karapat-dapat? Two spots left, and 1 spot belongs to this lady, and she is Queen. I love the energy of the crowd. Sino sa palagay nyo? And she is Queen 11. Bernard Salonga, Andrea Gomez. Once again, thank you so much, Kings Sport International Convention Center. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am S. Jupiter. Four names were already announced. 1 spot left. This could be the final question. Sino po ang sa palagay niyong pasok sa top 5? This is it. You are still in the competition. Step forward, Queen. Four. That's Rocket. Game 2. Ladies and gentlemen, your top 5 finalists. And one of them will be crowned ms.gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2018. Congratulations to our top 5 at hindi ba dyan natatapos ang ating competition. Because they will be facing the final round, and that is the major round. This is it. As the candidates prepare for the most nerve-wracking part of the competition, the judges will base their scores on combined beauty, wit, and their total impression on the candidates' overall performance. Here we go. All the finalists will face a major round. There will be equally weighted questions depicting issues that are timely and relevant to the society today. All right? Here we go. Kindly pick one. I'm gonna read the question twice, and you may answer in English or in Filipino. All right? In consideration with our Tagalog judges who are not Pampanga. The question is, you woke up one day and your sex videos was gone viral. What will you do? Let me repeat it. You woke up one day and your sex videos was gone viral. What will you do?
Kung ang sex video ko po ay kumalat sa social media, ang una ko pong gagawin ay hihingi ng tawad. Dahil ng mga panahong ginawa ko yon, siguro wala ako sa aking sarili. O siguro hindi ko lamang alam ang aking ginagawa o nadalama lamang ako sa aking emosyon. Pero darating din ang araw, at ang araw na yon, napagsisisihan ko ang aking ginawa. Kaya kung dumating man ang araw na yon, magpo-post ako o mag-release ako ng sarili kong statement kung bakit ko ginawa yon at hihingi ng tawad sa lahat ng taong naapektuhan, nasaktan at higit sa lahat sa aking pamilya. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Kylie Alcantara, our Queen 15. Next lady facing the bleacher round will be Queen 13, Marian Rivera. Can it be Queen? I wish you luck. I'm gonna read the question twice. This is it. I think makaka-relate ka dito. Pinaasa ka na ba? Ginamit ka na ba? Iniwan ka na ba? Nasaktan ka na ba dahil sa pag-ibig? What was the best realization you've learned from heartaches? Let me repeat it. Pinaasa ka na ba? Ginamit ka na ba? Iniwan ka na ba? Nasaktan ka na ba ng dahil sa pag-ibig? What was the best realization you learned from heartaches?
Okay, isa pong napakagandang katanungan. Nais ko lamang bigyan ng isang magandang kasagutan. Sa 25 years old na buhay na aking natamo dito sa mundong ibabaw, lahat ng nabanggit ay naranasan ko na. Naranasan ko ng masaktan, naranasan ko ng madapa dahil sa pag-ibig. Ngunit mga kaibigan, hindi po yun ang aking inisip. Hindi po ako natakot na umibig muli. Iyon pong mga pagkakadapa na iyon ay siyang nagsilbing aral sa akin kung paano mabigyan ng isang magandang alaala na kung saan ako mismo, isang tao, dapat maging mapagpatawad ka sa nagkamali sa iyo. At muli kang bumangon sa pagkakadapa mo. Muli kang umibig. Dahil lagi po nating tatandaan, ang pag-ibig ay kaligayahan. Kaya dapat lagi po nating pairalin sa bawat isa. Dahil po ang pag-ibig, hindi lamang umiikot sa inyong dalawang magkasintahan. Dahil ang pag-ibig ay umiikot saan man sa atin dito sa mundong ating ginagalawan. Lagi po nating iisipin, masaktan man tayo, madapa man tayo, wag na wag nating aalisin ay ang pagmamahal natin sa dakilang lumikha. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Marian Rivera. Kaya pala masaya ka sa piling ni Dingdo. Here we go, next lady facing the final round will be Ariela Ararida. The question is, would you rather find true love or a suitcase that has a 1 million pesos in it? Tell us why. Let me repeat it. Would you rather find true love or a suitcase that has 1 million pesos in it? Tell us why.
Our life is not perfect at all. I was raised for my father, for not that have a lot of money or a good life. If I were to choose, if I will find true love or more than 1 million, I would rather choose 1 million. I don't want to be an hypocrite because we are suffering for this kind of life. Wherein that 1 million, I want to put that on my family, especially to my brothers and sisters, to their education, because I am the breadwinner of the family. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, the first person who have a true love for me would be my father. Even though that I am an adopted child, to tell you anything, there is no blood that runs to our body, but because of my father who raised me a good child, a good person, and a good son, I'd rather want to have that 1 million to give to my family and sacrifice love, because love is not about the couple. It is about the true love that my father given me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. In relation to that, sa lahat po ng mga tatay natin, Happy Father's Day in advance. There we go. We have Andrea Torres right here, Queen 11, Ben Horse Salonga. And the big one. There we go. Your question is, do you think it is proper to know the cell phone or Facebook password of your partner? Why and why not? Let me repeat it. Do you think it is proper to know the cell phone or Facebook password of your partner? Why and why not?
Maraming salamat po. Siguro po, hindi po ako papayag na malaman ng password ng boyfriend ko at password niya na malaman yung password ng boyfriend ko. Dahil naniniwala ako na may kanya-kanya tayong bagay na kailangan isettle sa ating sarili upang sa ganon, hindi kayo mag-aaway o magkagulo ng inyong boyfriend. Dahil naniniwala ako na isa sa pinag-aawayan, isa sa aking mga naging experience po yan, ang malaman mo yung password ng boyfriend mo at malaman niya yung password mo. Dahil nakikita niya ang mga bagay na ikakaselos niya at kakasira ng relasyon niyo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Queen 11. As they say, what you don't know won't hurt you. And the final lady facing the glitter round. Here we go. Queen 4. And your question is, let me read it. The widespread of HIV/AIDS is taking its toll higher every day, especially among millennials. How can we counter or combat this situation? Let's repeat it. The widespread of HIV/AIDS is taking its toll higher every day, especially among millennials. How can we counter or combat this situation?
Thank you for that very nice and interesting question. Ladies and gentlemen, we counter or combat this situation, the widespread of HIV, by thinking simple as like this. It is not actually the problem itself, but it is the ability to deal with it. Imagine all the wondrous things that your mind might embrace if it weren't wrapped so tightly around your struggles. Even though that widespread HIV encounters in ourselves, this will never be hindrance for us to continue that combat to take and less opportunity for us and able to have a good health in our society. For what I've been through in my life, I always call that as a traumatic experiences, because there is only one thing I've learned the most, that I would rather to live and build myself as a person of character than live and build myself as a person of reputation and misfortune. Because ladies and gentlemen, I believe if you have an HIV, at the end of the day, God will not measure a man or a woman through his or her character, worldly success only, but God will measure a man or a woman through his character that develops in the stream of life. I have been always into an enthusiastic manner, meaning to say a full of positivity, that in this world once you got HIV, whether the gender preferences you have is still, you have the person who can spread that happiness from that certain who has HIV. And I made myself a person that I would definitely live my life in the happiest way that I can. Because ladies and gentlemen, in this world that we're living right now, in a world of modern technology, one must be empowered, and that is to apply the acceptance, and that is to apply the good influence of each and everyone. If that certain person who has HIV feel the acceptance, understanding, and love, then definitely there is no impossible reason to make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Queen, for Kinju. And that wraps up the glitcher round. Breathtaking and intense. How about a big round of applause for our top 5 finalists? 2017.
I'm Shun Ichiramalyari, who had been turned the page of my journey from being an ambassador of goodwill and mark another history of my very own city as a queen. With all the responsibilities I have rendered, just stood up as a good role model to the LGBT community, I've realized that times really fly so fast. It's been a year when I was crowned as ms.gay Fernandino Festival Queen 2017. Walking down the stage bring me back at my journey towards becoming the finest among the finest. But earning the crown has never been easy. It takes so much confidence, courage, of course, and inspiration that will burn the fire of motivation out in me. I'm referring to the people who supported me and who believe in me. To our dear Creator God, showering me so much blessing, who guide me and who mold me to be a good person with beauty, talent, intelligence. Thank you very much. I also want to extend my deepest gratitude to those wonderful people behind my brilliant success. To my #1 fan, my mother, supporter, and serve me as my inspiration, who always there in every competition that I have entered. To the people who greeted me with elegance and glamour by dressing me up with their collection during the competition, to Kuya Kayvan Passion Salazar, Darwin Bianca Reyes, and to the whole family of Katie. To my assistant, Sophie Bongo and Shantulago, thank you very much. Mr. Joe Angeles, who happens to be my makeup artist and never failed me to make me more beautiful, and the one who taught my talent I have executed. Thank you so much. I also want to credit the portfolio event solution for ms.gay Fernandino Festival Queen, a prestigious one. Most especially to Adi Kim, Jenny, Christian, Adi Faye, Adi Malia, and most importantly, Sir Kakay Munoz. It's a great pleasure being part of your prestigious competition. And also, want to thank the person who stood up as a queen mother and of the leader that I admire most, look up. The person who knows the value of LGBT in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, and who truly fought for the rainbow rights. The one and only, our generous, the beautiful, the glamour, our consular, Miss Angie Hizon. Thank you, Ma'am Angie, for sponsoring my trip to Hong Kong. I enjoy it and painted me so much happiness in me. Its priceless, you're truly the best. And last but not the least, to my family and friends who always there whenever I needed them most. To my successor who will be crowned ms.gay Festival Queen 2018, be a good role model to the LGBT community. Always put your feet on the ground. Know your limitation. Be friendly and approachable like me. In every competition, I'm the Miss Friendship because it is important to win the crown seeing smile in the faces of our fellow candidates rather than seeing disappointments. Because being a beauty queen is a passion passion to inspire others and not a profession to degrade anyone else. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Shun Ichiramamyari, a 24 years of age transgender, your Miss Gay Festival Queen 2017, saying I love you all and enjoy the night. Mabuhay!
And now, please welcome back on stage our top 5 finalists who are one step closer to becoming the Miss Gay Fernandino 2018.
you.